Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make burger patties with ground beef. Start with cold meat and chilled hands and portion into even 4 to 6 ounce balls. Press a shallow dimple in the center so patties cook flat and evenly. Handle the meat gently and avoid overpacking to keep patties tender. Rest patties briefly before cooking so they hold juices and sear nicely on the griddle. I will explain gentle shaping techniques for juicy burgers. Work with chilled meat and form patties with a light touch, keeping them slightly larger than your buns so they shrink into place. Make patties uniformly thick and add a thumb-sized dimple at the center to stop doming while cooking. Avoid overworking or compacting the beef and season just before grilling to keep moisture and flavor locked in. I will review a quick recommendation and ask a favor. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing tips. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes and keeping a hands-free reference by the stove with a glare-free screen that works across kitchens. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. I will help you season and cook patties for the best results. Salt and pepper just before cooking to preserve moisture and form a flavorful crust. Heat your pan or grill to medium-high, sear without moving until the edges brown, then flip once to finish. Use an instant read thermometer and aim for safe doneness levels based on preference while letting patties rest a few minutes before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.